Hi, welcome to the 5th episode of Unity Game Development for Complete Beginner series. In the previous episode, we'll learn about how we can sort our sprites in Unity, what are sorting layers, how order in the layers work in Unity, and why we need to sort our sprites. In this episode, we will learn about scripting in Unity. What are Unity scripts and how we create and use them? Scripting is an essential part in all the applications you make in Unity. Most applications need script to respond to input from the player and to arrange the events in the gameplay to happen when they should. Beyond that, scripts can be used to create graphical effects, control the physical behavior of objects, or even implement a custom AI system for characters in the game. But in this tutorial, we will stick to the basics of the script that will allow you to get started with Unity. First of all, in order to create a script, we right-click anywhere in the project window, click on Create, C# scripts, a new script will be generated. Rename the script and a new script is ready to be used. For better practice, we keep all of our scripts in a separate folder, so we create a scripts folder and move our scripts into the scripts folder. But this script will not do anything unless we attach it to a game object inside the scene. In order to work, we can attach it to any of our game object inside the scene. If we don't want to attach it to our objects in the scene, we can create an empty or game object for this script. This game object will be placed in the hierarchy, but we will not be able to see it in the scene view. Just select the game object and drag and drop your script into the hierarchy. You can also create a new script by typing the name of the script in the Add component and clicking Create and Add. In order to open the script, just double-click on the script in the hierarchy or in the project window. It will open the script in the Visual Studio for you. Unity scripts can be coded into two major languages, C# and JavaScript. There is another language called Boo, but we are going to code in C#. As it is the most widely used and easy to use language, if you have basic programming knowledge, you are good to go with C# in Unity. As C# is used in Unity is very much tailored for Unity, and Unity has its own method and libraries to code in C#. Now let's have a look at our script. When we create and open a new script, this is how it looks. In a Unity script, you will always see these three namespaces here. Just leave them as it is. MonoBehavior is the base class from which every Unity script derives. When you use C#, you must explicitly derive from MonoBehavior. MonoBehavior has some of its own methods that you can find in every new C# script that you create in Unity. Two of these methods that you will always see in a new Unity script are start and update method. There are many other methods that we use when we need them. Start is called on the very start of the game, when the game starts in the first time or when a scene is loaded. It is called on the frame when a script is enabled just before any of the update methods are called the first time. Because the start method is called only once at the start, and right after start method, the update method is called. All the things that we need to do in the start of the game and only once are placed in the start method. For example, initializing a variable for the first time can be done in the start method. In a MonoBehavior script, update is called every frame and not once like start method, which is called only once. Update is the most commonly used function to implement any kind of game script. Not every MonoBehavior script needs update, but it comes with every script. If you don't need it, we can either remove it or leave it empty as it is. That was all for this episode. In the next episode, we will learn about 3D objects in Unity, have a look at some of the components of 3D objects,